moon shines on the cowshed, and we're rolling in the hay. All the cows are out there grazing, and the milk is on its way. I am a cider drinker. I drinks it all of the day. I am a cider drinker. It soothes all me troubles away. O-R-O-R-A, O-R-O-R-A. Rubber jobs, wanna try some, young'un? It's so cozy in the kitchen with the smell of rabbit stew. When the breeze blows across the farmyard, you can smell the cowshed too. Oh, never smelt nothing like it all my life. When those combine wheels stops turning and the hard day's work is done, there's a pub around the corner. It's the place we have our fun. We'll have some fun at all. I am a cider drinker. I drinks it all of the day. I am a cider drinker. It soothes all me troubles away. O-R-O-R-A, O-R-O-R-A. Come on, young, get a couple of points down here then. Now, dear old Mabel, when she's able, we takes a stroll down Lover's Lane, and we'll sink a pint to Scrumpy, then we'll play all nature's game. But we end up in the duck pond when the pub decides to close, with me britches full of tadpoles